Most people think wealth comes from big wins, but the truth is, it's the small money habits you repeat every day that quietly make you rich. Today, I want to break down 5 daily habits almost every financially successful person follows. No complicated terms, no extreme budgets, just simple behaviors that build wealth slowly and then suddenly. Let me give you a real example. A viewer recently emailed me saying he went from stressing about rent to saving over $14,000 in 1 year. Not because he made more money, but because he changed how he handled money. Tiny habits, repeated daily, big results. Habit number 1, track money. Daily, rich people don't guess where their money goes. They check their spending for 60 seconds a day. That's it. Habit number 2, automate savings. They don't rely on discipline. They automate transfers every payday, so saving happens before spending. Habit number 3, spend with a 24-hour rule. They wait 1 day before buying anything non-essential. Most impulses disappear. Habit number 4, invest small but consistently. Even $5 or $10 a day in an index fund beats doing nothing. Consistency builds momentum. Habit number 5, protect credit like cash. They pay bills early, keep low utilization, and treat credit as a financial tool, not free money. Here's your action plan. Choose 1 habit from this list, not 5, just 1. Practice it for the next 7 days. Once it feels normal, add a second habit. That's how real wealth begins.